Greetings to everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and respected panelists. I hope you will all enjoy today's research defense presentation.
I'm Daryl Ramirez, and I'm here to share my study on the influencer marketing's impact on junior high school student purchasing decision and St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor.
Influencer marketing emerged as a powerful force in shaping consumer behavior, particularly among younger demographics. Its impact on junior high school students' purchasing decision at St. Francis of Assisi College can be significant. Influencers are individuals who have gained a substantial following on social media platforms, often due to their expertise, charisma, or relativity. They have the ability to influence their followers' opinions, preferences, and purchasing decisions. How do junior high school students at St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor perceive the role of influencer marketing in their purchasing decisions?
Can you share specific instances or stories when influencer marketing has influenced your buying choices as a junior high school student?
What strategies or methods do junior high school students employ when considering influencer-led product recommendations before making a purchase?
What are the main advantage and disadvantage of influencer marketing impact on your purchasing decision?
What insight do junior high school students offer for making informed purchasing decision while navigating the influence of influencer marketing?
To understand how junior high school students at St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor perceive influencer marketing's role in shaping their purchasing decision.
To collect specific stories and instances when influencer marketing has played a significant role in influencing the buying choices of junior high school students.
To explore the strategies and methods employed by junior high school students when they consider product recommendation from influencer before making a purchase.
To examine the advantage and disadvantage of influencer marketing's impact on the purchasing decision of junior high school students from their own perspective.
To gather insight from junior high school students on making informed purchasing decision while navigating the influence of influencer marketing in their lives.
Review existing literature on influencer marketing and its effect on consumer behavior, especially among young audience.
Hypothesis formulation. Develop hypotheses based on the research question and literature review. For example, influencer marketing positively affects junior high school students' purchasing decisions. Select a representative sample of junior high school students from St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor.
Survey questionnaire. Design and distribute surveys to junior high school students to gather data on their purchasing decisions and exposure to influencer marketing.
Conduct interview with the sample of students to gain qualitative insight.
Analyze the social media presence of influencer popular among the student.
Clean the collected data, ensuring it is accurate and complete. Organize the data in relevant categories such as demographics, influencer exposure, and purchasing decisions.
Analyze qualitative data from interviews to identify recurring themes and insights regarding influencer impact.
Segment the data by key variables like age, gender, and level of exposure to influencer marketing. Analyze difference in purchasing decision and behaviors between these segments.
Examine correlation between exposure to influencer and purchasing decision. Use correlation coefficient to measure the strength and direction of relationship.
Analysis to assess the impact of influencer marketing variable on purchasing decision. Create regression model to predict purchasing behavior based on influencer-related factor.
Junior high school students represent a specific demographic that is increasingly engaged with influencer content on social media platforms. Their purchasing decision can be significantly influenced by the content they consume.
If St. Francis of Assisi College Bacoor is interested in understanding the dynamics of influencer marketing among its student population, focusing on junior high school students allow for more targeted insights.
Junior high school students may be more vulnerable to persuasive power of influencer due to their age and development stage. Understanding how influencer marketing affects this demographic can be important for responsible marketing practice and education.
Since the research is conducted at a specific educational institution, it may be more practical to students study who are currently attending the school, making junior high school students a readily accessible group for their study.
Investigating the influence of influencer marketing on junior high school student may provide into long-term consumer behavior as student might continue to make similarity purchasing decision in high school and